Good morning. So we're back in Oakwood, as planned. Tom worked Saturday and cracked on again with the porcelain patio up here. Let me show you what he's done. So on Friday, I think we were only like 2 and a bit flags in, I think. He's come in, he's done these 5 here, and rest are cut sort of way through, but there's like a post here, a post here, post here, post here, post here, and then one in here. So we're putting pergola posts in first, because we had to get his patio across to find his height, because we don't do cutting tops at posts, we'd rather cut bottom at posts. So that's getting done today, putting them in now, and then we're going to put the frame in for the top. We might even do all of it. We might do all of the pergola today, and then that just sets us up for everything else, because if we put these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 posts in here, and then we put all of his cuts in, we can't step on patio then, so it helps us up. And I'm off on the way on Friday, and I can't bloody wait. I'm going to do a vlog on that actually, because it's quite an interesting place where we're going, but also my wife doesn't know where we're going. She just knows that we're going away another day with 33 degrees, so yeah, quite an interesting one. Still probably won't know where it is when I tell her, if I'm honest. But yeah, nice and sunny. It, as normal, supposed to be like cloudy today. I'm in an hour and about putting my shorts on, it's freaking red hot. I got this little beauty. So I won this at Christmas on darts at our supplier Farmac, and you had to get over 100. 101 won it, Tom, you had to get. So yeah, over 100 won it. And then you picked out a number in this bucket, and I picked it out, and it were coming up to like one of the last days, and I picked it out, and everyone just looked at me and went, oh my God. Anyway, obviously, it was that number. Tom won 3 times and got like some little bits for drills, some sweets and drinks and stuff like that. Got not really. And then I did it once. Oof. With dodgy fingers as well. I should have got like a handicap as well, to be honest with you, but I still smashed it. Got like double 20, double 15, double summer, and you had 5 darts, so pretty easy, you know what I mean? But everyone was just like, bloody hell, he's smashing that. Because I'll show you. With this hand, obviously that finger it's bending now. But yeah, I chopped my fingers off last year, bonfire night, on porcelain, which is horrendous. I think this is his first porcelain patio since my injury, if I'm honest. So I had operation and stuff, finally coming back to work, and I literally grabbed it and went right through it. How you don't throw a dart. But yeah, I won this little baby with stands and everything, worth about 400 quid or something. Not bad, is it? But yes, guys, let's get on putting some posts in. So even from down here, that area I think looks a good size. I thought it were going to close it in. Quite happy with that. Quite happy with that. Right, we're having a lunch. 11:30. Always have our lunch at 11:30. Tom's just, don't know if he's recording me or what. But yeah, totally happy with that. Now it's getting sorted. We're happy to have us lunch now. Stress free. Nice easy week this week. I'm off away. I'm off away. See you soon. Pull it to me a bit, just pull it to your left a bit, T. That's it. What's that? 365 is it? Yeah. Now man, I was Claudia, Ed. Claudia! Look at how much is here. Gonna lift myself up. That come up, that video of Frankie when I got him in ball. Told him to pick himself up. Jump, up. Get out. Get bullying. Get back in. That was funny, that. Alright. He's good at this. To me. Like relaxing, doesn't it? Can't say that word. Breathing in, breathing in. I don't know, I'm just doing it. No, mate. You say so, it makes everything right. Sun comes out, obviously, when I'm looking at it. Alright? Yeah. 3580. Oh my gosh. That's mental, let's go. end. Out. Fancy a stupid bet on World Cup?
Go on then.
England to win Germany in final on penalties.
Yeah. Just to England to
Fiver.
win stupidly.
Yeah, bust that, innit?
Yeah.
Sweet steak. Blender with Switzerland or something. Did one at school once. And it was just like winner takes all, there's no second or third. I picked out France and we're like, God, France won and won World Cup. Damn man. Like 28 quid or something random. Yeah? France? But then you look back at squad and like, that's Zidane, Thierry Henry. You know, all that proper legends.
Yeah. Last time I did one, I got Belgium. But like, De Bruyne plays for him and stuff like that.
Yeah,
Like, so you look like a pretty, and I'm like,
Yeah, you look at squad man, they're good, aren't they?
I got that,
Like Okafor for Leeds. He's Swiss, him. Yeah. Why is he Swiss?
Stop being a dog.
Stop being a dog. What are you doing? So guys, how does that look? Minus Tom being there, just setting up his Instagram end of day video. But can you believe it? Today I've had to put my bloody trousers on, honestly. This morning we had sun cream on, was sun creaming obviously each other's back and stuff like that. And it's bloody freezing. Putting that up, I was frozen. So, how good does that look? It's quite late now. Is it about 5:45, something like that? So we aim to get that done because tomorrow customers asked us to pull these closer. Normally about 600 wide, we've gone for 400 centre to centre, 360 in middle, ish, something like that. So we've done both sides So tomorrow we can basically crack on with all these flags. Get them 4 in there. I think there's 4 more to go in, I've worked out. And then put them flags in, then we'll come off of it. And then after tomorrow, Thursday, my last day. Don't know if you know if I'm off away. That is finished, resined up, everything. And then just a few bits and bats down here, a bit of drainage and stuff down here, which we can crack on with. But we'll just try to do it, no pressure, easy going, nice, clean and tidy. Gonna get some hate because I've had my trainers on all day, because I left my boots on back at van all weekend and they are absolutely piss wet through. I'm gonna swear there, I'm really sorry. They are wet through, ridiculous. So I can't even look after myself. But guys, I'll see you all in the morning, 8 o'clock, sharp.